Hey there! If you've been using Microsoft 365, you might have noticed something new popping up. That's Microsoft Copilot. You've probably been hearing a lot about it. Maybe your bosses are discussing it as it's been launched or in the process. Your colleagues are buzzing about it, or Microsoft itself is promoting it. But what exactly is Copilot, and how exactly can it help you work faster and smarter across apps like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook? Well, today I'm going to show you 6 awesome use cases in Excel, plus 1 use case each for Word and PowerPoint. Stick around and let me know in the comments if you would like me to run through more use cases in the future. Ready? Let's jump right in. So let's kick things off in Excel. And wow, Copilot here has some tricks up its sleeve. Imagine you're dealing with tons of feedback or notes in Excel. Maybe you have a list of customer interactions from your sales team, like clients interested in follow-up or not interested. Normally, you'd be reading every entry, but with Copilot, you can just type summarize the sales notes and watch the magic happen. But before we dive into these examples, there's one thing to remember. To use Copilot effectively in Excel, make sure autosave is turned on. Why? Because Copilot needs autosave enabled to work its magic on your document. Without autosave, Copilot can't access real-time changes. So always check that little switch at the top to keep things running smoothly. So we've given Copilot the prompt, summarize the notes, but I could go further to have it summarized into categories of positive, negative, or mixed feedback, and provide improvement suggestions. So I'm going to click send and let's see what we have. So it's working on it, analyzing the data range, and it's giving us this result. Copilot has summarized the interaction notes into positive, negative, and mixed feedback. So for positive feedback, it's saying generally, clients are interested in follow-up, client very positive, and considering bulk purchase. For negative feedback, client thinks pricing is too high, concerns about product durability. And for mixed, clients are generally interested but needs additional resources, needs feedback from technical team. And if you scroll further down, it's giving us improvement suggestions. For the positive feedback, continue to engage and provide additional information to maintain interest. For negative, address pricing concerns by offering discounts or flexible payment options. And for the mixed feedback, offer tailored solutions and involve technical teams to address specific concerns. This looks really good and ready for me to send to my boss as a summary of this interaction note. So if I like this summary and I want to send it as an email to my boss, I can have it copied here to the clipboard and pasted in an email to send. You can also go further to analyze the report by checking which is the sales rep for interaction note client interested in pilot project. So if I click on that, this is what I have. The sales rep for the interaction note client interested in pilot project is Noah. So it's given a summary report that can be added to a new sheet by just clicking on the add to a new sheet button. And here's what we have. Moving on to the second use case. Let's say you want to track monthly revenue growth. All you do is ask Copilot to add a column for monthly revenue growth. Send that, and it creates a perfect formula for you. So Copilot calculates the monthly growth for each product by dividing its total revenue by the sum of the total revenue of all other products. Here's the formula here. You can either have the formula copied for use or have the calculated figure inserted as a column in your spreadsheet. So hovering over the insert button will show you how it's going to appear on your spreadsheet. So you can just click on it and there you have it. We have an extra column created with the calculation of monthly revenue growth and also the formula shown. Isn't that great? Moving on to the third use case. If you have a situation where you have data in multiple sheets, Copilot's got you. Let's say you have a price list sheet with current prices. Instead of copying and pasting the prices to have it pasted here, you can tell Copilot to create a column for price by referencing the price list sheet. It will pull over each price based on the product name. So I'm going to type in a prompt like create a column for price by referencing the use case for B sheet. So I'm going to send that and let's see what we have. Copilot fetches the price of each product by looking up the product ID in the product price table, which we have in the use case for B sheet, and retrieves the corresponding price. And again, you can have this formula copied to use directly in your spreadsheet, or just go ahead to use the result created by Copilot. So if I hover over this, I'm going to see the column that is to be created. So I'll just go ahead and click on that. And Copilot has pulled over each price based on the product name or the product ID. No need to force with formula. Copilot has it covered. Imagine you want to spot products with over 500 units in stock. Instead of scanning the whole list, just ask Copilot to highlight products with inventory over 500 in orange. So I'm going to type in my prompt here. Highlight products with inventory over 500 in orange. Click send and apply. Bam! Copilot applies the formatting, making high stock items easy to spot. And if orange isn't your style, you can ask Copilot to change the color to say maybe red. Then click apply to have it applied to your spreadsheet. And there you go, just like that. Let's say you're tracking sales by region and you want all rows for the West region highlighted. Just give it the prompt, highlight entire rows where region is West in blue. So I'm going to click send, have it applied. Now, every time you see West, the entire row stands out. It's a quick and visual way to organize data by region. All right, let's jump over to Word. Copilot in Word is perfect for making your writing clear and impactful. Let's say you've written a draft memo and it's a bit wordy. It's not a problem. Highlight the text, click on the Copilot logo, and ask it to rewrite this to be clear and concise. Click send to have it entered, and Copilot has cleaned it up. It keeps the key points and makes it sound polished. If this version is preferred over the one drafted, I can simply just have it copied and replace in my document. Finally, let's check out Copilot in PowerPoint. Imagine you need a presentation on sustainable packaging initiatives. Instead of starting from scratch, you can get Copilot to do the work for you. Just type, create a presentation on sustainable packaging initiatives. So I'm going to send that, and Copilot generates for you a complete slide. This can be considered a good starting point for whatever presentation slide you want to create. And it goes further to say that if you'd like, the designer has other layout options for you. So if you click on this, you will get other layout options you can go with. And that's it. We've just explored some powerful ways Microsoft Copilot can make your work smarter, faster, and a lot easier across Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try, or if there's a specific use case you would like me to dive into next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a tip that could transform your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.